So I seen a lot of folks on the internet saying that the Samsung T7 Touch SSDs do not work with their software that Samsung has. I just want to show you guys. I have a M1 MacBook, as you can see right here. It's on Big Sur as well, and here's the software. I have my Samsung SSD connected right now. You can see if I touch my fingerprint, it's gonna say disconnected, but within a second, there it is. It's working fully fine. I don't have any issues. I can go to my settings. I can change my name, password, whatever I want. Um, so I just wanted to demonstrate how I did this or how I got it to work. It's fairly simple. I just downloaded the software from Samsung's website, and I just went ahead and installed it and followed the prompts. I as well was running into the similar issues that you guys were having as well, but that was only when they had version 1.7.2, and that version is not for Big Sur. They, however, have released about 2 weeks ago, or maybe it's been a month already now, they released the version 1.7.3. And once I installed that, I did see the option in my security and preference to allow the software. So I'm going to uninstall the software. I'm going to show you guys how I install it. There'll just be one difference because I already have it installed and I have already allowed it. We will not be able to see that part in the video, but you guys should be able to see it as long as you follow the exact steps. So the first thing we're going to do is, let me close the window. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just close the Samsung SSD. Okay, I'm going to go to my Finder and I'm going to eject the SSD just to safely remove it. Okay, and once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and remove the USB. Now what we're going to do is I want to go to Samsung's website, and I have it actually right. I was looking at it earlier. So you can just simply search Samsung SSD for T7 Mac, something along those lines, and it'll take you to this website right here. Or you can choose even this, it's the same thing. Click on the first one. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll notice it says download files, and it takes you to the download file area. Now you have to notice that there are 3 softwares available. Okay, the first one is for Windows computers. Second one is for Macs, but this is not for users that are on the M1 Mac or any user that has the OS Big Sur. You have to look at the third option right here, and you can even see it tells you here the macOS Big Sur users only. This is the one that's version 1.7.3 and the one that you will need to install. Okay, and actually I forgot, before we install, let me uninstall mine right now. And for those who are not sure how to correctly uninstall the software, for this SSD, they don't want you to simply go to applications and drag and drop it, or to uninstall it that way. But however, they want you to click on your name. You're going to have to click on Shift Command the period. Once you do that, the hidden files will be showed. You're going to go into your library. You're going to go to Application Support, and you're going to look for an application that's called Portable SSD, this one right here. You're going to simply open it up, and you're going to run this option right here, which says Clean Up T7 Plus All Script. Just double click on it and go in and hit Run. Okay, when you hit Run, you're going to hit OK, and you're going to have to probably enter your password. Alright, once that's done, you will see a pop-up. Disregard this, it's just basically saying that I can't find this off because it's been uninstalled, so it's fine. Just hit OK and you can close it, and you'll notice now the software is gone from my applications. If I search for it, you'll not see any software for Samsung T7. Now that we got the uninstall, let's go ahead and install it. So I'm going to download this one again, version 1.7.3. Okay, and there it is, it's downloading right now. Perfect, it's done. So I'm going to go back to my Finder, I'm going to go down to my downloads, and I'm going to double click on that one. Again, just a reminder, because I have already clicked on the allow option, I'll show you where you would have to click on it, but you will probably not see that again because I already allowed this software on my computer. So you're going to go ahead and hit continue. Okay, I agree. Select where you want it to be installed on, hit install, and of course you have to enter your password. So right around here is where you would get a pop-up that will tell you, hey, the software has been blocked by Samsung. You need to go and unblock it. To unblock the software, before you even hit restart, I would just unblock it. I would go down to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, And right here, you'll see a message that says the Samsung extension has been blocked. You have to unlock this first by clicking on it, then hit allow, and it's gonna ask you for your password. And once you hit allow, it's gonna ask you to go ahead and restart your PC. You can either hit restart right here or restart from the pop-up you received from this window. And once your computer restarts, you will be able to plug in your hard drive and connect it. Right now, the video will stop, unfortunately, because I am going to have to restart the PC. And I will take a picture to show you guys. You see the time is 10:31. I'll take a picture right after to show you it's working again.